What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to be making a taco quesadilla, something really easy. Just want to get a quick dinner in. And yeah, let's check out these ingredients and get it going. So here's the tortillas we're using, just some taco tortillas. Going to make a nice small little quesadilla. Got some tomato we're going to throw in there, some cilantro, some jalapeno, put some lime in the meat right here, some 8515. We got some Mexican style shredded cheese, some lettuce. And here's the seasoning that we use right here. Spice Islands, good stuff. And yeah, let's get it going. Got the griddle nice and warmed up. We're at about 350. I have my two right burners on high right now. And my middle left is on low and the far left is off. So let's get this ground beef going. Ground beef is super easy to cook on the griddle. Boom. All right. Just gonna chop and flip. All right, I'm just gonna let this go for literally like a minute, and I'm gonna bring you guys back, and I mean, we're almost there. The meat is just about done. It's been cooking for like literally a minute and a half. So let's go ahead, get the seasoning in. All right, now we got, it was a 1/4 cup of seasoning and then a 1/4 cup well, just enough water to bring it up to a 1/2 cup. So let's just dump that on in, huh? All right. Let's mix it on up. Bring it in. So the meat, got the seasoning in, everything's good. Let's put some lime juice. Don't want to get that in the eye. All right, good enough. Just mix it up a little bit. Ooh, baby, it smells so good. All right, I'm happy with the way this is looking. I'm gonna kill these two burners. I still have this one on low right here. So I'm just gonna mix this stuff up, clean a little spot, and put this thing together. Got a little oil down over here. We're still, I have that burner off. All my burners are off except for my second one in, and we're still rolling at about 330 because this area just gets super hot. So let's go ahead, tortilla down, get some oil around on here. Boom, give it a little flippy. Let's put some cheese down. You want a generous amount. I do anyways. I love me some cheese. All right, throw a little meat on here. All right, so we got everything on here. Now I'm gonna just put my press right here because I want to get it a little bit flatter. But yeah, just gonna let it go for just a hot second and then get it off. All right, let's give this thing a flip. Now the top is not Actually, trying to see here. Yeah, okay. All right, so the top isn't all the way melted. So come on. There we go. Ooh, ooh. Come on in and check this out. Let's dive in and give this a try. I just had a bite of the jalapeno that fell out, and we actually got a spicy one, so that's good. Ooh, baby, this looks too good. Mmm. Mmm. Jalapeno is spicy. The meat tastes fantastic. There's a hint of lime in there. That's really good. I don't want to forget this. Got some Doritos. What's your favorite Dorito flavor? Mine's strawberry, but what do you like? Mmm. Nice crust on that shell. That is good. Very, very good. Mm. I like the cilantro on top. I like that idea. My wife told me to do that right at the end. So good on that. That's all I got, guys. Appreciate you coming along. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up for me. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. And if you stuck around this long, you'll be the first to know that we are giving a griddle away at 3,000 subscribers. I think we're a little under 1,600 right now. So at 3,000, we're gonna give another one away bigger than the last. So don't forget to follow the channel, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I put videos out. And see you on the next one. Thanks.